Is Oberlo paid? This is a question that's been on the minds of many aspiring online entrepreneurs. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of Oberlo and answer that question once and for all. What is Oberlo? Before we get into the pricing aspect, let's quickly recap what Oberlo is. In essence, it's a dropshipping platform that connects you with suppliers around the world, allowing you to sell products online without having to hold inventory. This means you can start your own online store with minimal upfront investment. The Oberlo business model. To understand Oberlo's pricing, it's important to grasp how they make money. Oberlo primarily generates revenue through two main channels. Oberlo Premium. This is a paid subscription plan that offers additional features and benefits compared to the free plan. Transaction fees. Oberlo charges a small transaction fee on every order placed through their platform. The free Oberlo plan. Now, let's address the burning question. Is Oberlo completely free? The answer is both yes and no. Core features. The basic Oberlo plan is free and provides you with access to essential features like product importing, order fulfillment, and supplier communication. This makes it a great starting point for anyone who wants to test the waters of dropshipping without spending a dime. Limitations. However, the free plan does have some limitations. For instance, you may be restricted in terms of the number of products you can import or the level of customer support you receive. Oberlo Premium. Is it worth the cost? If you're serious about dropshipping and want to take your online store to the next level, Oberlo Premium might be worth considering. Here's a breakdown of some of the key benefits it offers. Unlimited product imports. This means you can add as many products to your store as you want, giving you a wider selection to offer your customers. Advanced Product Finder. The premium plan provides a more powerful product search tool, helping you find the best products to sell. Priority customer support. If you encounter any issues, Oberlo Premium users receive priority support, ensuring that your problems are resolved quickly. Bulk order editing. This feature allows you to make changes to multiple orders at once, saving you time and effort. Transaction fees. In addition to the subscription plans, Oberlo also charges a small transaction fee on every order placed through their platform. This fee is typically a percentage of the order total. While it may seem like a minor expense, it can add up over time, especially if you have a high volume of sales. Is Oberlo worth it? Whether or not Oberlo is worth the cost ultimately depends on your individual needs and goals. If you're just starting out and want to explore dropshipping without investing a lot of money, the free plan is a great option. However, if you're serious about building a successful online business, Oberlo Premium can provide you with the tools and resources you need to succeed. To summarize, Oberlo is a versatile dropshipping platform that offers both free and paid options. While the free plan provides a solid foundation for beginners, Oberlo Premium offers additional features and benefits for those who want to take their online store to the next level. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to pay for Oberlo Premium comes down to your personal circumstances and the level of commitment you're willing to make to your online business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.